Well, I've definitely probably the biggest ones I've seen so far, probably golf balls. But it is just the wind is just driving this. But Dave was safe. We were under the awning, so he wasn't stepping out in it. But it's almost covering the ground completely now with the hail that has fallen so far. And it's just been a few minutes since we talked last. I don't know if you can see my shot, but it almost looks like snow is covering the ground now.
Yeah, it really does look like snow here. This is on the south side of Clinton, and so all of that white that you see right there, that is, as Amanda just mentioned, about golf ball size hail, and it is covering the ground. I mean, you can have some storms that usually drop isolated big hail, but this one's dropping a lot of hail. This thing is loaded right now with some pretty damaging hail. And again, they're under an awning right now, but just look at that shot and look at all that hail.